everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this week tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the brand new image trace feature in Affinity. So let's get started. First, just open Affinity and then create a new document like this. And then next, we need to import the image that you want to trace. You can do this by the open files and then just click on open. And then just choose your image that you want to trace. Like this. And then next I will just scale it up a bit, for example like this. And then next, if you zoom in, you will notice the pixelated edges of the PNG like this. Like this. You will notice the pixelated edges like this. And with the image selected, and then next just select the image and go to the top menu and then just click on vector, this one, and then just click on image trace, this one, and then you will see two main settings, its threshold and curve fitting tolerance. This control how precise the vector will be, and for now, for this tutorial, I will just leave them at default and I will just click on apply. Like this. Affinity will convert the image into a group vector layer like this. Just open the group and then just select the all curve inside. Like this, and then just drag them out of the original PNG group. And then next, just right click and group them again, like this. And then you can delete the left override background layer. And then when you zoom in, the pixelated edges are gone, replaced with a clean crisp vector lines that stays sharp no matter how far you zoom like this. And okay, that's the basic of using Affinity's new image trace tool. It's super fast, super clean, and perfect for turning your designs into scalable vector artwork. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!